country.
Oh yeah?
Yup.
Good. So try to keep the composure. So like you're in the push-up position, like you're gonna do an actual push-up. Perfect form and everything. Push your butt back. Your hands straighten. Feel the stretch of your calves and your hamstring. Then you glide through it. You see how this makes you feel standing tall? Really lean your back. Then we glide forward. Just make you feel standing tall. Not necessarily downward. Okay? Eyes. That's good. Take it back. So you kind of coming forward a lot. That's all you have to, I guess, like pick your hands up to move yourself back. Just make it glide. Like once you come forward, stay on your hands. By the legs.
Tryna make sure that it's not me, man. Hold like the